Welcome to Box Breaker, celebrating your 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 857. We're opening two boxes, Crown Royale 13-14 hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 28 at 8:29 p.m. According to TimeOfDave.com, it is currently 10:07 a.m., Monday, June 29th. That's Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. First box number is 082 12323. Second box number is 206 351 883. We've got 5 cards per pack, 4 pack per box, total of 2 boxes to open. First box, Crown Royale 13-14. We've got 4 packs, 1 extra thick one, and an empty box. First pack for 2 box break, number 857. Small adjustment here, get it clean as possible. There we go. Base. Jonathan Quick for Kings. Oh, nice silver chalice. I Game News jersey. For LA. Okay. Bases. Oh, this is nice. Max Reinhardt rookie patch in the die cut style out of 50 for Flames. Nice card. Okay, now we're super thick one. Look how thick this is. Okay. See what we got. Oh, and it because 2 of them. Curry Conacher for Senators. Scratching the surface. Hard signed signature. And they managed to put in another rookie patch with Jonas Brodin. Nice patch. 3-color patch from Minnesota Wild. Oh, that was nice. That was a nice pack. An auto and a patch in the same pack. Find more. Okay, last pack of our first box. Devils. Glenn Rich. Okay. Voices of the Game. Hard signed signature for Devils. Okay, so that's our first box. A little cleanup, keep it clean and on screen. We're at our second box. Just like to mention, we got 8 box breaks ending tonight from 10:30 p.m. We've got some limited 12-13 4 box. We got some titanium, classic signatures, artifact 14-15. We got an empty box, 4 packs. All that tonight from Box Breakers. More appeal all the time. More than almost 20 boxes ending tonight. Okay, on with the break. Second box, first pack. Here we go. We've got a social signature. Panthers. Scotty Upshaw. Hard signed. Next pack. Steve Oleski for Washington, rookie auto short print out of 99. Next pack. Patrick Marleau for Sharks. Patch card out of 10. 5 of 10. Nice short print. Coat of arms. Patrick Marleau. And we're down to our last pack of our 2-box break. We've got Alexander Ovechkin, parallel card out of 99 for Washington. And Zengus Girgensson for Sabres, rookie jersey card. Here's to the throne. That's our 2-box. Again, do a little cleanup. We can do a quick recap of our hits. Okay, here we go. We got a rookie jersey for Girgensson for Sabres. Parallel card, Ovechkin. Patch card for Sharks, out of 10. Rookie auto, Steve Oleski, Washington, out of 99. Hard signed signature, Scotty Upshaw for Panthers. We have a hard signed Voices of the Game, Glenn Resch for Devils. Beautiful patch, rookie patch of Jonas Brodin from Minnesota. We have a rookie auto for Senators, Corey Conacher. Another rookie patch for Flames of Maxwell Reinhardt, and a silver chalice of Jonathan Quick for Kings. That concludes our break number 857 of 2-box of 1314 Crown Royale. Be sure to check out all our box breaks tonight. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers. You're a one-stop shop for box breaks.